Hey everyone, this is the OPPO Find X9 and today in this video I like to share you guys top 5 features. First of all, the smartphone comes with huge 7025 mAh battery with 80 watt fast charging, 50 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging supported. Number 2, the phone comes with brand new MediaTek Dimensity 9500 SoC who is 3nm processor with ARM G1 Ultra GPU with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage and up to 1TB storage and 16GB RAM with UFS 4.1, and the software wise the phone running ColorOS 16 and Android 16, and you also get 5 years more Android update. Next, the camera setup. The phone comes with triple 50MP sensor, main camera, ultra wide and also periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 120x digital zoom and 32MP single selfie camera. And I am already making this smartphone dedicated camera review on my YouTube channel, link also available in the first comment and I button. Number 4, the display. The phone comes with 6.59-inch 1B color AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support and 3600 nits of peak brightness, and this is 1.5K resolution panel. And the phone also offers ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. And the last one, the phone design and the build quality. Design wise the phone looking excellent, especially I like this smartphone new camera design. And the smartphone built with Gorilla Glass 7i in the front, glass in the back, aluminium frame and also support IP68 and IP69 rating. And the smartphone long time full review coming our channel very soon, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So that's all about OPPO Find X9 top 5 features, and if you find this video make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be see you in the next one. Take care, Allah Hafiz.